student of class 7, today I will teach you exercise 8a, question number 6. In previous video I taught you question number 1 to 5. Now question number 6. 15 boxes each containing 18 juice cartoons cost rupees 5400. What is the cost of 22 boxes each containing 14 juice cartoons? So first condition, one box containing equal to containing equal to 18 juice cartoons. Okay, then 15 boxes are there. 15 boxes containing equal to 18 into 15 equal to 18 5 are 90, 18 1 are 18, 27. Okay, juice cartoon. Then next, one box containing equal to each. What is the cost of 22 boxes each containing 14 juice cartoons? Containing equal to 14 juice cartoons. Then 22 boxes containing equal to 14 into 22 equal to 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 to 30 juice cartoons. Okay, now cost of 18 juice cartoon 270 juice cartoons equal to 5400. Okay, 270 juice cartoons equal to rupees 5400. Cost of one juice cartoon equal to 5400 upon 270. Then we have to find cost of 308 juice cartoons equal to, it is 0 27 2s is 20 into 308, 0 2 is 16, 2 3 is 6. This is the answer. Okay, dear student, now question number 8. A contractor who had a workforce of 630 persons undertook to complete a portion of a stadium in 14 months. He was asked to complete the job in 9 months. How many extra persons hired he to employ? So dear student, in very easy language, what we have to write, to complete a work in 14 months, persons are required. Okay, to complete a work in 14 months, persons are required equal to 630. To complete a work in 1 month, persons are required equal to, in 1 month 630. If in 1 month work is completed, then more men, means more persons, 14 times more will be required into 14. Okay, then to complete a work in 9 months, persons are required equal to, now divide, this is the in variation. Okay, upon 9, 9 1 जा 9, 9 7 जा. Okay, so 14 7 जा 98. Okay, these persons are required. But what is there? What the question? How many extra persons had he to imply? Extra persons equal to first 360 we are working, now 960 are required. Now 980 minus 360 equal to 350 extra. When a man travels a certain distance by a train in 4 hours and for 12 minutes at the speed of 44.8 km per hour, how much time will it take to cover the same distance if the speed of the train is increased to 58.8 km per hour? So, if speed increased, then time less. Okay, dear students. So, if speed is 44.8 kilometer per hour, then time taken equal to 4 hour 12 minute commute, 12 upon 60 1 za 5 za, then it is 4 whole 1 upon 5 hours. Okay, then if speed is 1 kilometer per hour, then time is taken equal to 20 plus 121 upon 5 into means 1 kilometer per hour. If train will run, then more time will be taken, 44.8. Okay, then if speed of train is 58.8 km per hour, then 21 upon 5 into 44.8 upon 58.8. The decimal cancel. 7 3 ja 7, 8 ja 56, 7 4 ja 28, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 4 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 7 ja 7 1 ja 7 6 ja, then it is 16 upon 5 means 3 whole 1 upon 5 hour. Okay, this is the answer. 3 whole 1 upon 5 hours will be taken by train whose speed is 58.8 km per hour. Okay.